What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to talk about Dogecoin again. So now we are getting some consolidation in Dogecoin, and the main thing that I really want to talk about today is Robinhood. What Robinhood did. Robinhood actually crashed again during another Dogecoin spike. This happens time and time again with Dogecoin and Robinhood, so we're definitely not surprised. But I definitely want to talk about Robinhood. But let's go ahead and read this article though. Robinhood ran into issues processing cryptocurrency trades this morning during a spike in the price of Dogecoin that sent users flocking to the app. So yeah, people went to go sell in to their notice they could not sell, and because of that everything dropped. And then as everything dropped, they're mad because they couldn't sell at the peak. And I would be mad too if I was trying to do that with Robinhood. I do have a little bit in Robinhood, but that's just what I want to talk about. I only have about 1,000 into Robinhood, but it has turned into like 1,700 now because all of this crazy stuff that's going on with Dogecoin. But that's only inside of Robinhood, and that's why I'm saying this. Robinhood, it's only for small casual crypto trades. Like if you want to hold $1,000 in Robinhood, that is probably the most I would do. I wouldn't go and put your whole life savings into Robinhood Dogecoin unless it's a long-term hold, because they continue to do this. Robinhood is definitely not good for day trading and swing trading crypto. But as I'm looking at it though, Robinhood is good for holding crypto long term, especially when they get the wallets. When they get the wallets, this crashing will stop happening. It'll 100% stop happening once they get the wallets, because there won't be as many orders, going through trying to sell directly through Robinhood. They'll have an external wallet here. So this is really what we need inside of Robinhood. But given the time expectancy, I think we could probably see this soon, maybe around, I would say, a few months. Give Robinhood a few months and they should definitely have this wallet made. Now don't mark me on that because I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Hopefully they will have the wallets made, but I definitely recommend everyone, if you want to day trade or swing trade crypto, Dogecoin, all that, then your best bet is probably Binance US, Coinbase, stuff like that. But I wouldn't, maybe Webull too, but I would not, swing trading, day trade Dogecoin on Robinhood. Dogecoin on Robinhood is only if you want to hold for the long term, because you never know when it's going to go up or down. And if they like have this huge spike like we just had, everything is just going to drop. So that is what we're looking at here with Dogecoin. But I mean, Dogecoin is still doing good. It's consolidating. So we definitely have good news here since it is consolidating. That means we are going to stay maybe around 54 cents, and we may have a little breakout here, because if we do follow our short-term trends show us that we are going on a positive uptrend here. So we may have a soon to be breakout. I wouldn't even say breakout, but soon to be increase here. So we may increase here right on this trend line, and then we may continue to go up, maybe back to like 56 cents to 57, and then consolidate around there until tomorrow. And then tomorrow will be the 5th. But this is just my little analysis here. This is just what I think we are going to continue to do. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but this does show us a good pattern of what we could do. Because if this is what we could do, imagine what we could do right after this. And after this, we could have a huge breakout. So if we did end up breaking out here, we would probably end up going back like to here, like I said, around 57, maybe 58 cents. And then even possibly up back to 60 cents. But if we do get back to 60 cents too early, we may just kind of, dip and then go up right after we dip. But this is just what I think we will continue to do. But this is good news for Dogecoin, because we are continuing to trade along these trends that we set here, which tell us that we're going to continue to trade positively here. And hopefully this trend is not broken by anything crazy. But as you can see, we are trading positive. So this whole Robinhood crashing with crypto, I understand, everyone. But honestly, if you just hold Dogecoin on Robinhood, you will be 100% fine if you just hold it, if they don't let you sell it, because we are going to reach $1 in the long term. So it doesn't really matter that you can't sell Robinhood right now, or sell Dogecoin right now on Robinhood, but you can still sell it in the future, which is all that really matters, because it will be up in the future. But yeah, I definitely agree with everyone that's mad that Robinhood keeps doing this. But one thing you have to think, Robinhood is they're kind of the starters of the Dogecoin wave. Really, they kind of first put Dogecoin on the first, stock exchange in crypto all in one. So you still gotta give them credit for that, because they're mainly a stock platform. So you can't really blame them for the whole crypto thing. But honestly, they do need to step it up, and they need to finally get these wallets so then this can stop happening. But honestly, we're gonna continue to rise here, so I would not worry about the you know, I wouldn't worry about not being able to sell it all the way up here, because we're gonna get right back up to there. It happens time and time again with Dogecoin. We dip, but then eventually we get right back up there. And as we can see here, it usually just takes. It could take a few hours. It could take a few days. But anyway, we will continue to rise there. Let's check here our market cap with Dogecoin here. Now we are at 69 billion. So that is a good increase from what we were at. 36 billion traded in the last 24 hours. So we are up 97% for the last 7 days. That is more good news for Dogecoin. And as you check Google, even you see everywhere, like you can check Google, you just see a bunch of Dogecoin articles. This is a bunch of good press. This means a bunch of people are finding out about Dogecoin. A bunch of people are buying it. There are people that are personally fans of all these websites, like Yahoo Finance has people that are personally fans of Yahoo Finance. So then when they see the Yahoo Finance drops a positive, little thing about Dogecoin being higher than Twitter or Forward, it gives people more of an incentive to invest into Doge, which then puts more money into our market cap. So that's what's happening with Doge. That's why we're rising, and without a tweet or anything from Elon Musk. Like, yeah, Elon Musk started it way, way, way back there, but we continued the momentum with our own buying and with our own promotions. And as well, looking at Twitter, you can see so many people talking about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is top trending on Twitter right now. So we are going past the moon here with Dogecoin. Even CNBC is tweeting about Dogecoin here. Look, Dogecoin surges 30% to a record about 50 cents. Went all the way up to 60 cents, but it's about an hour ago. Look here, Dogecoin surges. So CNBC is talking about this. They have a lot of people that are tuned into their network. So that's more good publicity to Doge. That's more and more people putting money into our market cap over here. So that's just what we have to look at here. All the market cap that is getting added into Doge day by day. And another thing that we always have to continue to look at is our top Dogecoin wallets to see if they add any more any more Dogecoin, or if they sell anymore. And this number one wallet here has not sold anything still since the 12th of last month. So that's really good news, because look, the top wallet right here just now bought more Dogecoin. The top Dogecoin wallet just bought more Dogecoin today. So that is really good news. The top wallet is buying and not selling. And let's see how much they actually bought. It looks here like they bought received. How much did they just now receive? So yeah, it looks like they just added more here. The balance, they added about 16 million, or I don't know how much they added here. Oh no, they added 48 Doge. So they're just buying small amounts of Doge today. The top wallet bought 48 Doge, 1 Doge, $11, or I mean like 11 Doge, 95 Doge. So they're buying really small amounts for some reason, the top wallet. So that's some odd purchasing right there. That the top wallet is buying like one and like a few Doge every day. Not a lot of Doge, like just a few dollars. Like, this is kind of weird to see. Like, it's kind of weird transactions, but they're not selling anything. They're literally just buying like a little bit of Doge every single day, and just acquiring more Doge every single day. So this is kind of a crazy transaction type. This is definitely not Robinhood, because Robinhood started investing in Doge in 2018, and this one right here says the first purchase with Doge was in 2019. So this top wallet is not Robinhood. We already confirmed this in the previous video. But what we do need to look at here is the other wallets to see what kind of trades the other wallets are doing. So the second wallet that owns 5 billion Doge at $2.6 billion, last purchase was on the 1st of this month, so a few days ago. And then their last sale was all the way in 2014, so they haven't sold those since 2014. They've just been acquiring more, but just like the previous wallet, they've been acquiring more at a really low rate here. Like they bought $43 worth of Doge, and this doesn't mean that they bought $43. This could mean that people are paying them in Doge. So all of these small amounts, even for the previous wallet, could just mean that people are paying this top wallet inside of Doge, and this could mean that there are a major distributor somewhere, or something, maybe an exchange that has like a side Doge account. I don't know, or this could be anything. But yeah, this could be them getting paid in Doge, you know, through the exchange. Like maybe they have an interest rate. This could be anything really. Then they had all these major purchases back in 2014 because they knew it was gonna go crazy. So this is when they acquired their millions of Doge back inside of 2014. So this was the time for everyone to buy. But yeah, even when everything happened back there in 2014, Doge did kind of dip and then it came right back. Like it dipped and then people started buying some more of it. And this is when they're like, oh man, they started buying way less Doge because it dipped all the way down here, 0.00028, and there was like 0.0013 down here. So then it starts to dip and now it's picking up, but they haven't bought more since 2014. So yeah, this is crazy. The kind of transactions that all these top wallets are doing, because these are like the richest people in Doge and like the richest people in the world, really. Like as you can see, these are like the top 1% people in the world that we're looking at here. $19 billion, $2.6 billion, $1.6 billion. Yeah, this is definitely the top 1%. We can see what kind of trades they're making here. So we should kind of adjust to how they are trading. So if we're seeing that they're continuing to buy Doge and they're not selling any Doge, then that's probably a good sign that none of us should be selling Doge and that we should all be buying. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. This is loading really slow. I'll go to another wallet here. But yeah, look at this wallet here. This wallet has never sold Doge a day in its life, but it just started buying Doge in 2021 on February 8th here. They started buying on February 8th, and their last purchase was yesterday with Doge. Their last purchase yesterday, or not, it might not even be a purchase. They may just be getting paid in Doge, like I said in the previous. But look, 150 Doge yesterday, and they just been investing in Doge over and over again. So we can continue to see more of the wallets here investing more money into Doge every single day. And this is showing that there's more transactions happening in Doge. Their last sale was today, but their last purchase was also today. So this account is doing some crazy buys here. Look, this is all today. This account bought all of this today. So all of these Doge purchases were bought today. This is millions of dollars that they just now spent in Doge in one day. And this is all purchases, so that could also explain why we're continuing to go up. You can see the whales are still buying more, which means more money is flowing into our market cap here with Doge, which means we are going to continue to rise. So this is really good news. But yeah, this is just an update on what we're continuing to do here with Doge. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video.